What's good, guys? It's your girl Naturally Jazz, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. If you are returning, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to another video. I would love to have you join and subscribe if you have not already. So as you read by the title, today, guys, it's going to be another Sunday reset. We love to reset on Sundays to get the house back in order for the new week. So that's what we're doing today. And I've already started the process, guys, of taking my sheets off my bed and doing all that thingamajig. So I'll show you guys that. Then we'll move on into the kitchen and show you what we have going on in there. There's quite a few things to get done. We will not be like face-to-face talking to you throughout the video, but I definitely will be showing everything. So let's get right into the video, and I hope this is motivation if you have not already done your Sunday reset. And even if you're not seeing this on Sunday, if it's any other day of the week, definitely I hope it motivates you still to just reset anything in your home that needs to be reset. So let's get right into the video. So far, guys, my bed is looking crazy. This is a temporary sheet I have on my bed, just with my pillows here, because my actual sheet and bedding is going in the washer. So this is all temporary, but I've definitely started that process in here. And so, guys, this is currently the kitchen situation. I've been using my dishwasher. I've started back using it, but guys, I just feel like there's nothing like a actual good hand cleaning of the dishes. So I stacked them all up here. We have actually quite a few dirty. I'm going to go ahead and get to washing, and then get our kitchen reset as well, because there's a stain in the floor that needs to be reset. There's Princess here biting my toes, looking like she ain't did nothing. But yeah, definitely she needs to be reset, and then the living room area needs to be reset as well. And then over in the foyer, of course, you guys see that needs to be reset as well. And then, guys, this is Princess. The kids have her helping out with chores. They're having her take some of their laundry to the laundry room. It's just so cute and funny that they're having her to help out as well. But we love Princess. You gotta love her. But then, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and move on into the dishes. So I'm just preparing my dishwater here, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and just drop everything that I like to soak for a little bit, which is like silverware, knives, and spoons and forks. And I know technically you're not supposed to put knives in the water because you can cut yourself if you're not very careful, but I definitely always make sure I'm very careful. And then I'll just go in to get to washing the dishes. So that's what I'm doing here. And I am using some regular antibacterial dish soap, and then I'm also using my Dawn Power Wash. It works amazing to just help get off those tough stains, especially if the dishes has been sitting for a minute. So I'm definitely going to be using that probably all around my kitchen because it works amazing for everything. So yeah. Then, guys, after getting them all clean, I'm just going in and just rinsing all of the dishes off to give them a nice rinse with some hot water, and then we'll let them sit out for a little while to dry and then put them up.
It's a light I don't chase, it's a light I find. The real glow comes from inside, when I don't need a proof, when I say no without guilt, and I still keep my peace. It's being kind, staying sharp, it's knowing what I allow. It's moving slow on purpose and standing solid now. I protect my energy, I don't pour it out for free. I keep my senses. As a woman's glue, not
And I put up everything but the glass ones. I definitely did want to let those dry, so I just have those laid out here, and this is what they look like just sitting out to dry on up, and then we'll put them up later. I'm going to do some other things around the kitchen, so I'm going to move on into my stove area and my microwave area to go ahead and get this clean, again using my Dawn Power Wash. Like I said, it works amazing, especially if you have like tough stains or anything. So I'm just spraying this all around, and then we'll get to cleaning. And guys, what really helps with this is if I use a rack that has really hot water on it. So I just run it through the sink hot water, and then I go ahead and wipe everything down, and it just helps keeping the rack warm. It lifts more of those stains off very easily as well. Now guys, I just have this lemon scented kitchen candle that I'm going to place on my stovetop. It'll really get the smells going in here. I love just the lemon smell, and this is about to be out, but I did just want to go ahead and burn the last of it. I do need to go candle shopping, but we're gonna wait for that because it is almost fall, and I'm just gonna purchase all the fall candles that I can because I love fall. It's my favorite season. Now we're just moving on into getting the trash emptied here. This trash was definitely full, so I'm just gonna take this bag out, and then we'll go ahead and put the new bag in. And if you're contemplating on subscribing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join the family. Now it's time to go ahead and put those glass dishes up that we let sit out to dry a little bit. This is like my favorite part, just organizing my dishware. So I like to just separate the bowls and the actual plates from each other, and then I'll go ahead and do my cups, my small glasses, my wine glasses, all that, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. And this is my favorite part, seeing everything in its place. If this glass was see-through, oh, I would just love it. And now I'm just taking this bowl here and I'm going to put my dishwasher pots in here. I just prefer them to be inside something rather than just sitting in the bag. So this is just this bowl I have. I really need to clean it, but I'll get back to that later. I know this is a cleaning video, but I just kind of pulled it from under the counter, and I'm just going to sit the dishwasher pots in here just to make it look a little bit more aesthetic. So this is what that looks like. And now from here on out, guys, I'm going to be finishing up the kitchen and resetting my foyer area. If you made it this far in the video, I thank you so much for just tuning into the video. If you're contemplating on subscribing and you have not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And yeah, I am just going to finish up everything. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Don't forget to comment, because I love to engage with you all in the comments, and it just warms my heart. And we're a community, we're a family. That's what I like it to feel like. So don't be afraid to comment if you are watching. If you never commented before, I will respond back. And this is the kitchen, all nice and reset and clean and finished. And now I'll just move on into my foyer area. But I so love just to see everything in place, everything clean and refreshed. Now guys, my towels and my whites are ready to come out of the dryer, so I'm just getting these out and I'm going to go ahead and fold these. Again, this is one of my favorite tasks as well, just folding like the towels and the white clothes. I love the way it smells, and it's just really just comforting to me. I love it. So that's what I'm doing here, and then I'll just give my room a quick vacuum as well to complete everything. so much for tuning in. Be sure to tune in to some more videos here on the playlist, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.